Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change shift for an employee in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, you gotta log in to your admin account. Now once done, just go ahead over to the bottom left and click on Operations. Okay, click on it, and once done, go ahead and go to Leave Tracker. Click on it, and then here, go ahead and go to Shift. Okay, click on Shift, and then here you go ahead and go to Employee Shift Mapping and this tab at the top. Click on it, and once done, if you want, you can go ahead and filter this out if you have a ton of employees. Okay, if not, if you found the person, you can go ahead and click on this shift right here. Okay, and this column. Just click on the date and time, like so, and here you have the shift section. Okay, so what you do is just basically click on the drop down right here and select from one of your available shifts. Okay, and then once done, go ahead and change the dates if you want to. If not, just click on submit. There you go. As you can see here, it now says changed shift. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.